Alright. Okay, drop your stuff. I bought you this, and I have to videotape it because I think it's going to be funny. And you better not yell at me because I'm recording.
Okay.
And I paid full price.
Oh my goodness.
It's not, they're not
You
chocolates.
got me a white box with, note, my favorite color, green.
Don't move too much because I want to record you.
Okay. Okay. One must be smarter than the box. Okay. I have here
Open the gift.
EPT, the brand of choice.
What does the little screen say?
The little screen says, try again. Oh, it says pregnant. What does it say? Pregnant? Are you pregnant? You are pregnant? You're pregnant! You're pregnant! You're pregnant! Are you serious? No kidding.
No.
We're gonna have a little Bobby or a little Monica?
In October.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness, honey.